That's not how it works.
You'll get.
No, that's not how it works.
You'll get plenty of time to call.
I can call my pastor now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna sue you guys.
There's gonna be an end to this.
Buckle up, because what starts as a routine traffic stop for loud music quickly spirals into a legal nightmare for 19-year-old Alexandria. We're in the middle of the night at Addison and Carter, and the officers on the scene have already spotted the red flags, slurred speech, a delayed pullover, and the unmistakable scent of alcohol. But Alexandria has a different story. She claims she's stone cold sober, yet within minutes she's tripping over her own feet and citing fashion-only contacts as a reason for her eye movements. Tonight, we're breaking down a masterclass in how not to handle a DUI investigation. From Buzzball admissions to a complete misunderstanding of constitutional rights, this case takes a turn from a simple stop to a multi-charge arrest involving some very suspicious white powder. Who's really in control here? Let's dive into the body cam footage and see the exact moment it all falls apart.
Hey Alexandria, would you mind turning the car off for me, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. So, we got a couple problems here.
Yeah, I know.
We don't.
You know?
I'll run out there with one. I'm working
Okay.
at right now.
How many drinks have you had tonight?
0.
0?
No, I'm just
then
driving.
What are you on? You're slurring your speech. You didn't pull over forever. What's going on?
No, I'm not slurring my speech. I just pulled over when I saw you guys come here.
Okay. Well, take your seatbelt off. Come on out.
Back up the cars a little bit. So we'll do it right here.
We can do it on the sidewalk too.
Yeah. I'll send you. I'm in,
All right. Go ahead and take your seatbelt off. Come on out of the car.
I would say to make sure it's flat, so.
Yep.
What was location am I at right now?
We're at Addison and Carter. What's up?
Anderson and Carter?
Hang up the phone. Come on. Let's go.
Do I need to know their location?
I'm sending you right now.
Feel 90 and 23. Feel 90 so far. Adam 3, Adam 14, and noise complaint.
What was the reason?
Well, I suspect you of drinking. I can smell alcohol in your breath.
314 and 315 West Dale, 315 West Dale.
The reason I stopped you in the first place, you were going
drinking
59.
and playing loud music in the parking lot.
No, what is it?
Earlier, Buzzball.
Buzzball? Okay, well, you're not 21, so come on out.
It was too.
Come on out.
Okay.
All right, step around back. Easy there.
Sorry.
It's okay. Here,
No,
set your phone on the back. Set your phone up here. I don't want anything in your hands.
It's okay.
Just set it down, please.
It's okay.
No, it's not. Set it down on the car.
What did you say?
Do you have anything on you I need to know about? Any drugs, weapons, anything like that? Anything in the car?
No.
Okay. Sure, he admitted to drinking.
Okay. You still go through fields and everything.
Okay.
I didn't admit to drinking.
You already told me you had 2 Buzzballs, and when you tripped, you said you're only a little drunk.
It's not hard liquor, but I'm pretty much okay, so I don't know.
All right, step away from the car, please. Have you ever gone through field sobriety tests before?
Yeah.
You have?
But
Okay.
they asked me to do the sobriety test. Nunca me lo hicieron. They never did it.
Woodale 623.
That was the first and
Woodale
last
6,
time that happened. So.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm going to explain everything to you. Okay, as we go. So, do you have any eye problems or abnormalities with your eyes?
No.
Okay. How is your general health? You say you're a healthy young lady?
I eat healthy every fucking
Yeah?
day.
Yeah, all right.
Pineapples and avocados, toast bread. Yeah, no.
Do you wear glasses or contacts, anything like that?
I wear contacts.
Do you have them in currently?
Not prescription.
Okay.
For fashion only.
Colored ones? Are they colored?
They're not prescription. No.
Okay. All right. So what you're gonna do? So follow these instructions.
Adam 4, go ahead.
See this nice green light right here?
All
Alright, keep your head still. Okay?
EJ 60766.
So keep an eye, hands at your side. Thank you.
You would deal 142, we're starting fields.
Remember to keep your head still. Eyes only, okay? Eyes only.
Eyes only.
Eyes only, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Alright, here we go. Hands on your side. Okay. Alright, next we're going to do something that's called a walk and turn.
Yeah, I know what that is.
Alright, cool. I'll still explain it all to you. I don't want you to get confused or anything.
I know. I'm not confused.
Alright, so do you have any physical problems? Anything wrong with your spine, legs, anything like that?
No, sorry.
Okay. So, what I'm going to have you do, so imagine a straight line in front of you.
Straight line in front of me?
Okay, come on over. We'll get away from the curb. You got a little more light.
Okay, just tell me where to go and
You can stand right over here in the light, right here.
There you go. Thank you, Officer Kozak. Alright, you understand?
Yeah.
Alright, your first step is number 1, so you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4. That was 9. Do you want me to keep going?
No, and then... Okay, now the last part, we're going to do a one-leg stand. So, place your feet together and your arms down at your side. Do not do anything else until I tell you to do so. You understand?
I understand.
Alright, when I tell you to, raise either foot. You can pick left or right, approximately 6 inches off the ground. I want you to keep your foot raised parallel to the ground, keep your legs straight, and count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. So, it's going to be like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, until I tell you to stop, okay? As you are counting, keep your arms at your sides at all times and watch your raised foot. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. You may begin.
Is clear, felony.
Do I walk forward or do I keep my leg up?
Just like I did it. Just like I did.
Thanks.
Okay, you may begin.
Just keep my leg up?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not flexible or like gymnastics-ish, so I can't really keep it up.
All right, Alexandria, come on over here. Come back to the car. Oh, you can stop. Come on over back to the car. All right, turn around, place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Can I call my pops to take my...
You'll be able to get a phone call when we get back there.
No, to take my
No.
car.
Your car's going to be towed.
No, I have the right to call my dad to
Yeah,
pick
at the
up
station
my
you
car.
will.
But... I still have a right to call my
Yeah,
pops.
yeah, you will. Yeah,
Yeah, no,
yeah, as soon as we
right
get to the
now.
station. No,
No,
as soon as we get to the
no.
station.
I know my rights.
Okay, then you know your rights are you can call them when we get to the station.
No, that's not how it works.
You will. You'll get.
No, that's not how it works.
You'll get a call.
I can call
Plenty
my
of time to call.
I can call my pops right now to come pick up my car.
Oh, 6,
and get it towed.
No.
No, I know
Oh, 6,
my rights.
No,
I know.
that's definitely not. That's definitely not how it works. But you'll definitely be able to get phone calls at the station. Okay?
No, I already know that. But
You will. Yeah.
But right now, I have my rights to call my dad right now. because
At the station.
No, right now.
Okay.
Once again, you don't have anything in your pockets, correct?
No, you can check them.
Okay.
Okay. Let me.
All right. Is there anything else you need out of the car?
Yes.
What is in the car that you need?
Yes. My phone. I'm gonna come with the
Phone we have.
and
We have your keys.
He can come able to come in here. No, I know my rights, sir.
I know.
For sure. For sure.
I'm gonna just give you the key, or all the other house keys or whatever.
Got a warrant. He can't search.
Woodale
the car.
2. We have one female 95.
We're not searching it. We're inventorying it.
One female
I
95.
know. But I have a right to call
I'll throw this in your
my dad.
cup holder.
No,
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
All right, let's go get in the car.
No, I'm gonna call my dad right now.
Your phone's over here, first off.
I don't believe you.
Okay, you don't have to, but I'm telling you the truth.
I don't believe you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in the door
where?
for now.
Okay.
Where? Where?
Where what?
Where is my phone?
It's in the door.
Where?
Do not resist.
No. I'm
Get in the car.
I wanna be assured.
Get in the car.
I don't see my phone here.
Set.
Oh, so,
Alexandria.
Alexandria.
So you're lying to me.
Alexandria,
Not lying.
have
No,
a seat.
I know my rights.
Perfect.
I know
So have a-
everything
have a
about
seat.
this shit.
Have a seat when we get to the station. You'll
need
make
to
your phone
talk-
calls.
No, because I'm a minor. I'm gonna talk to my pop.
Sit down. You're not a
So-
minor. You're 19.
No, I'm not.
Sit down.
Sit down first and then bring your
Can you
foot in.
call in real quick?
Bring your feet in.
Can I get my phone?
No, not in the back. You can call when we get to the station.
No, that's not how it works.
Yes, it is.
Sir.
Does.
No, this is not how it works. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna sue you guys.
There's gonna be an end
Yeah.
to this.
Okay. I'm coming. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have to have somebody sit with it.
I need to get my belongings.
Yep.
Yep.
Sir, can you roll my expert?
All right, Alexandria, come on. Come on out.
Yeah, 374 secure.
Come on out.
Don't touch me.
Come on out.
Don't touch me.
All right, get out of the car.
Yeah. My lawyer, yeah.
She's probably still pretty intoxicated.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
She blew a .23 at 1 o'clock.
So these cards are yours too.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about this?
It's my tray for weed. Yeah.
For weed?
Yeah.
Why is there like a white powdery substance?
There's no white fire substance in there.
That looks like it.
Unless you wanna
Like if we test it, what is it gonna be?
test it.
Is it gonna be like fentanyl or coke or what is it gonna be?
No, sir.
It's just weed. Well, like, what do you do with weed with a rolled up dollar bill?
Huh?
What do you do with weed with a rolled up dollar bill?
I did cocaine for like 4 months and then I got off of it.
Okay, so you've had a
So
history
I
of
don't do
it?
that anymore.
Okay.
No, it was in between October and then I stopped in end of December.
October to December you were using,
Yeah.
and then you stopped using it?
I stopped using it because it fucked up my life.
Okay.
So
When was the last time you were using this?
that I used cocaine.
Yeah, and using the dollar bills and all that stuff. Like, this has been in your bag for a while, or is this new, or?
No, I've always had it. But
You've always had it?
I haven't done cocaine in like 4 months, so
Okay.
I always had it.
Okay. We'll probably test to see what it is,
No.
but it looks like it's a small amount, but it looks like coke residue. Yeah.
You know exactly what it is.
Yeah. So.
Alexandria was charged with aggravated DUI, DUI second offense, and driving while license suspended or revoked.
And there it is, the definitive end to a night that Alexandria clearly thought she could talk her way out of. Let's break down the legal and situational reality of what we just witnessed, because there is a lot to unpack here. First, let's talk about the right to a phone call. Say, Alexandria repeatedly insisted that she had the right to call her father right there on the sidewalk to come and pick up her car. Legally speaking, she's mistaken. While you do have the right to an attorney and eventually a phone call, police are not required to let you use your personal cell phone in the middle of a DUI investigation or during the arrest process on the street. Once she was placed under arrest, the vehicle became subject to an inventory search, which the officer correctly clarified. This isn't just a search for evidence. It's a standard procedure to protect the department from liability regarding the car's contents. The drama only intensified when Alexandria tried to play the minor card, claiming she was a child who needed her pop, only for the officer to immediately check the records and remind her she's 19. In the eyes of the law, she's an adult, and her age actually makes the situation worse. Since she is under the legal drinking age of 21, the Buzzball admission alone was enough to initiate serious consequences, but the breathalyzer results were the final nail in the coffin. She blew a .2356, that is nearly 3 times the legal limit of .08. At that level of intoxication, motor skills and judgment are severely impaired, which explains the confusion over the fashion contacts and her inability to hold a single leg up for more than a second. And then we have the discovery in the bag. While Alexandria was surprisingly candid about her past 4-month history with cocaine, admitting to coke residue and a rolled up dollar bill while being processed for a DUI is a legal catastrophe. Even if she hasn't used in months, possessing drug paraphernalia with visible residue can lead to additional felony charges depending on the jurisdiction. Ultimately, Alexandria was charged with aggravated DUI, second offense, and driving on a suspended or revoked license. The aggravated status likely stems from the high blood alcohol content, BAC, and the fact that her license was already invalid. This wasn't just a mistake, it was a repeated pattern of behavior that finally caught up with her in the back of a patrol car. It's a stark reminder. The body cam doesn't lie, and trying to argue rights you don't actually have won't stop the handcuffs from clicking shut. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the officers handled her combativeness well, Ikeda? And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and body cam breakdowns.